slower. Ruby, if you adjust it there, just that, lift it out a tiny bit more as well, Archie. I think it's going to rain in a minute, so we'll go ashore here and we'll get something to eat. Right, so don't turn, please. You're turning too much. You're coming there, much better. And keep around. What turned yet? Keep around. Us in the middle. Keep steering. Keep steering. We're nearly there. Nearly. Keep, are you? Hand it to Noah, and then he'll tow us in. And just be easier turning them now for